How to fix Tekken 7 black screen problem, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. All you need to do first, just go to settings and then go to privacy. Now once you're here, go to background apps and then just turn off all those applications, and you will maybe will find it like that. And you can just select the applications that you don't want if you don't want to close all the applications. And after that, type here notifications, turn it off, and then right click on Tekken 7 properties, compatibility, and here click change settings of all users. And now just turn on those two options, disable full screen and run this program as an administrator, and click OK and OK. And that's it. Now try again. If that doesn't fix it, restart your problem and restart your PC and try again. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.